This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering up the Nest Wi-Fi and getting the app ready. Plug the router into power and connect its WAN port to your modem via Ethernet. The LED will pulse. Open the Google Home app and tap Add, then set up device so the app can find your new unit. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone and sign into the Google account you want linked. This step creates the local link the router needs to configure network settings. Once the app locates the router, you'll name the network and create a strong password. Choose a simple name for easy device reconnection. If you have extra Nest points, the app will prompt you to add them now. Place each about halfway between the router and the farthest devices for optimal mesh coverage. Make sure to enable guest network and set device priorities or parental controls if desired. These controls help manage bandwidth and keep key devices responsive during heavy use. To finish, you'll confirm connectivity by connecting 2 or 3 devices and running the built-in speed test in the Google Home app. If you see no internet, power cycle the modem and Nest router. Unplug both, wait 30 seconds, plug modem back in, then plug the Nest back in after the modem fully boots. Make sure Ethernet is secure and LED status matches expected color. If problems persist, factory reset the Nest by holding the button for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.